Ever wondered if the coins you're buying on Newton today will actually be worth anything 5 or 10 years from now? When I first started using Newton, I was overwhelmed by the list of 60-plus assets. It's easy to get distracted by the latest meme coin pump, but if you're like me and you're looking to build actual wealth, you have to filter for projects with real-world utility and staying power. After years of trial and error in the Canadian market, I've narrowed my long-term Newton portfolio down to 4 specific categories. 1. The foundation layer, Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. I don't care how many new Bitcoin killers come out, these two are non-negotiable for a long-term hold. Bitcoin is my digital gold. On Newton, it's the easiest asset to dollar cost average into because of the high liquidity. I view it as the ultimate hedge against inflation. Ethereum is different, it's a bet on the world computer. Since Newton supports ETH staking, I don't just hold it, I stake it to earn passive rewards while waiting for the next decade of development. 2. The speed and scalability play, Solana, SOL. If Ethereum is the slow, secure mainframe, Solana is the high-speed fiber optic cable. I keep SOL in my portfolio because it has captured the retail market. Its transaction fees are fractions of a cent, and it's currently the king of NFTs and decentralized apps. Newton's interface makes it incredibly simple to grab SOL during market dips, and like ETH, you can stake it directly on the platform to compound your holdings. 3. The infrastructure bridge, Chainlink, Link. This is a pick and shovel play. Blockchains are great, but they can't see what's happening in the real world, like stock prices or weather data, without a bridge. That bridge is Chainlink. Almost every major DeFi project uses Chainlink's oracles. It's not a flashy coin that doubles overnight, but it is essential infrastructure. If the crypto industry grows, Chainlink grows with it. 4. The interoperability bet, Polkadot, DOT. Finally, I hold Polkadot. The future won't be dominated by just one blockchain, it'll be an ecosystem of hundreds of them talking to each other. DOT is designed to be the layer 0 that connects these chains. It's a more technical play, but for a 5 to 10 year horizon, I want exposure to the technology that actually makes the Internet of blockchains possible. My strategy on Newton. I don't try to time the top. I use Newton's limit orders to set by zones at prices I'm comfortable with. Because Newton is a regulated Canadian exchange, I feel much safer keeping my long-term moon bag here compared to some offshore platform, though I always move my largest positions to a cold wallet for ultimate security. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.